Hello, welcome back to Mark's house and garden. Now today I did a video about toad spawn and I said I would come out this evening and see if I could capture anything in the night, in the dark. And there you just saw a toad going about its business. So I'm so happy that I came out here with my torch tonight. There's a little water beetle swimming around in the depths. And over there somewhere was a toad. Let's see if we can see any more activity as we walk round the water's edge here. And I will keep talking as I keep walking, just so that you know I'm still here and engaged with you. But I'm so pleased about that, seeing that toad there in the water. How amazing is that? I mean, that is what I was hoping to see, and that is indeed what we've managed to see. So here we go, back to the point where I saw it originally. And there it is again, I think. If I just come in closely, there it is again, and it might just get startled by the light, but there is a toad. Bufo Bufo is the Latin name. Can you see that there? Look, isn't that amazing? And we shall capture him on video until it decides to move away. I've just gendered him as a he, but it's probably a female because it's probably spawning. And isn't that wonderful to be able to see that? Let's see if we can capture the backside of that animal as it goes about its business in the pond there. Isn't that wonderful? Toad activity in my wildlife pond. How amazing. It's just sinking down its, whether it's breathed out or squeezed its swim bladder. I don't know how these animals work, but it's just decided to sink down about 2 inches beneath the surface there. How wonderful. A toad. Bufo Bufo, Latin name. Bufo Bufo. And over there today I managed to record some toad spawn over there, and see if we can capture that again. There's the toad spawn. And there is a great crested newt. There is a great crested newt. That is wonderful. I am absolutely over the moon about that. A great crested newt in my wildlife pond. Nighttime activity. I cannot believe I'm so excited. A toad and a great crested newt in my wildlife pond. Absolutely wonderful. I just can't believe it. I just cannot believe it, and I hope I got it on camera. It's gone down there somewhere. Absolutely wonderful news. I'm going to go inside now and edit this video down and share this with you, my subscribers. I think that toad, that newt, by the way, is down here. I've just seen its tail swimming here somewhere. Wonderful news. Brilliant, brilliant news. And look at here, on the water surface you can see all the pond skaters and the water boatmen and the water beetles. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful news. I'm over the moon, deliriously happy. As you can probably tell by my voice, the toad is down there on the bottom. You can probably see him, he's got his legs spread out. You're probably distracted by the reflection of the camera phone. I am now, on the strength of this evening, going to go and buy an underwater camera, and we will get some underwater footage of these incredible creatures, both the toad and the great crested newt. How wonderful is that? I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. I'm so excited. Unbelievable. Wonderful, wonderful news. A great crested newt right here in my wildlife pond. Thumbs up. Bye for now.